Ergonomics is the area of design that studies the way in which the use of objects is most comfortable for us, the users. There is nothing more unpleasant than having to use an object whose use is more complicated because it forces us to adopt unnatural postures for use with our extremities. This is especially important when we must work with that object, and we must use it for many hours at the end of the day. Computer ergonomics refers to how the PC table should be, in front of which we sit for many hours at the end of the day, apart from the objects related to computing, such as the monitor or the chair where we sit. A correct disposition of these components and the correct choice of them can mean a big difference, at the end of our working day or games, between getting out of our job or holiday, painful or not. There are several rules that users have to take into account when preparing your PC table to be comfortable for use. The monitor and the keyboard should always be in front of the user. In case of not doing it, this would be permanently forcing the neck and arms. The height of the computer table should be between 680 and 720 mm above the ground. The arms have to adopt a 90 angle with the body of the user when working with the computer. The monitor must have the ability to adjust its height, so that its upper margin is always at eye level. In general, we must always be able to see the screen without our eyes having to fall more than 20 from the horizontal. The viewing distance of the monitor should be between 500 and 600 mm. As a rule, the monitor should be able to reach with the arm fully extended, without having to tilt forward our torso. The chair in which we sit should facilitate its use in an upright position for the user. If it has lumbar or cervical reinforcements, much better for the user's back, although they are not indispensable. Both feet should be completely supported on the ground and forming a 90 angle with the thighs. In case it cannot be, you must use a foot support that allows it. The chair should allow height adjustment and have side armrests that allow these to rest naturally, without having to resort to the PC table to do so. Allowing rotation in the horizontal plane is not essential, although it is highly recommended, to facilitate access to the workplace. If you follow these basic tips, we will get up much fresher from our job at the end of the workday or a long session of games with our team.